Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So our topic is string function. There are different string function available in a Java programming language. So here is the first one is a length function, caret function. These two function I already discussed about our previous video, that is part 1 video, and the index of function and the last index of function. This is available in the part 2 video. So today I am going to discuss about the next function of a string, and the name of that function is substring. This string function is most important, very important, and this is our part 3rd video. This substring function is very important. So let's start our video. So our topic is substring. This is our topic. This is the one part of a string function. So let's see the definition of string function. So what is the definition of this function? This is the definition of substring function. So this function, that means substring function is used to extract the set of character. That means it extract a character present in a string. So let's see with the example. Suppose here we take some example like computer. This is a computer. So let's write the position. The position is C. Store in a which position? 0 position. 0 is the index of C. That means in a computer memory it store in a different string index number. So the index of C is 0 and the index of O is 1. Index of M is 2. P is 3. U is 4. T is 5. E is 6 and the R is 7. This is the index of our string. So let's assign a string P. Here P is a variable. Here P is a string variable that store a string, and the string is computer. So then use a which function? Substring function. How we can use a substring function? So firstly write the variable. So variable is P dot substring. P dot substring. In bracket we have to write the numbers. Which number? That is index number. Suppose I am written here like that 2. I am written here 2 and store in a k variable. So what will it return? So in the second position, in the 2 position, which value is this? In the 2 position, which character is? The character is M. So the k value stored in the second position. That means which value, which variable, which character? M. Starting from second position. So in the second position there is character is M and go to the end of that string. So starting from N and ending with R. So M, then P, then U, T, E, R. So k variable store M, U, P, U, T, E, R. The position of M is 2. So here is 2. That's why k variable store a string with the which position? Second position. And what is the data type of k? The data type of k is string. Because this k variable store a more than one character. K variable store a more than one character or set of character. So what is the definition of a string? The definition of a string, that means definition of a string is set of character with double quote. So the data type of k is also a string. In a substring function, it return the which type of value? String type value. So the data type of k is string. Suppose we have to write like p dot substring 5, p dot substring 5 and store suppose m. What is the data type of m? The data type of m is string. So what is the value of m? Which value? How much character is stored in m? So let's see which index is here. Here is 5. So let's see the 5 position. The 5 position, which value is this? T. So m store the TER. TER, that means starting with the 5th position. This is the position of T is 5. Then go to the end of that string. So 6, 7. Okay. Next. So another modification of substring is that, suppose here I am written the syntax. I am writing the syntax of substring function, like another substring function, that is substring. See, in the previous function, only one index is there, but now in this function there is two index. That means we have to put with how many value? 2 value. The first value, that means this is the starting index, and the second value, that means which value? Ending index. This is the second substring functions in a string function. So suppose let's see the same example like that. Computer, this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the index of the string. So let's we write store in a which value? K as variable, s dot substring. So in this bracket we can write two value, that means starting index or ending index. Suppose randomly I am written here like that. Suppose 3 and 6. 3 and 6. That means 3 is the which value? 3 is the starting index and 6 is the ending index of that string. So here is K. So what is the value of K? That means this function, what is the return type of this function? Also return type of this function is same, string. And what is the value of K? So starting position is 3. So let's check the character present in a third position. So in the third position, which value, which character? That is P. So here we can write P. Then after that, what is the ending position? 6. That means it can take 3, 4, 5 or 6. It include third character, also fourth character, fifth character, but it doesn't include in a list, that is sixth position character. So in a third position there is P, fourth position is U, fifth position is T, and the sixth position is R. But we don't write the sixth position character. What is the reason? Reason is that it include the starting position, but it exclude the ending position. This is the reason. So this is the second modification of substring function. In the substring function there are two type of function. First one is substring with one index. Substring with one index, that means only a starting index, and the second modification is substring with the starting or ending index. So in this function it include the starting position, but it exclude the ending position. So this is the substring functions. There are many questions related to the substring function we can solve with the substring function and caret function. So the question related to the substring function or caret function I will be making a next video. So thank you everyone. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel for the more and more video. Thank you.